Okay guys, here's another instructional video. Um, you may or may not know this, but Windows doesn't come with installation discs anymore. There tend to be a partition on your hard drive. The problem with this is sometimes you will find that there's a problem with your installation at some point and you want to, set it back to what the factory settings was. Sometimes this isn't always possible because if something's happened within the partition that's been set up, which is basically a small part of your hard drive, has been set aside by the manufacturer, so you can reset your system whenever you want to. Unfortunately, if that little section of hard drive has been set aside, has had some sort of fragmentation, or you've deleted something by accident, or put something on there you shouldn't have put on there, sometimes that can interfere with reinstalling the software. So my advice is to do this. So you go into your start menu, control panel, then you want to click on backup and restore. Now sometimes the dashboards look a bit different to this depending on how it's set up. So if you have any trouble finding this, just type it in the search box and it will come up. So backup and restore, we click on that, and then all you need to do is create a system repair disk, and what that does is it copies your operating system onto disks. If you've got about 6 or 7 DVD-R or rewritable disks, that will do fine, because that's typically how many disks it takes. And that's how you basically back up your operating system, and it's always advisable to do that at the start when you purchase a new computer, so you can always go back to how it was when it was set up. If you've obviously, if your system is obviously something's gone completely wrong and you forgot to do this, the only other alternative is maybe getting a restore disk from the manufacturer, or buying your own version of Windows 7 outright on disk. My advice is to do that because, believe it or not, I've installed Windows 7 numerous times, and I think it's invaluable having it on CD. And that's just my advice. But obviously, when you get your new computer, just create a system repair disk, and everything should be able to go back to normal when you put those disks in your computer when the time comes when you need to restore it. So I hope that's been helpful. Thank you. Bye bye.